NZAMA ya kulunga misala ya ATHUKUMI SRC NIYEEEVATHULANA NDIVI ya UKOLA MISAALANI ya ATHUKUMI MASILIKALI UNDU MWIKI wa MASAVU UNAWETIE KYUMWANI KIVITU SRC weta welesio wanthi kukonia wangangania uwe mokoni mamovia wa kinandu. Benjamin mwaka tueleze.
SRC vikite mbewanzama mbunge ya leba ni aweta dhina kiana mbinu andivisi ya misaala ya ATHUKUMI amwe anende maasilikali ila munene wa budget ya silikali mwandu Margaret Nyokango chumwani KIVITU UNAWETIE maandikite icho kuiva wa mbe wa kele musala nula wo mwitikilia kimiao.
There has been massive scandal of exaggeration of salaries whereby the controller of budget is allocated salary almost 3 times what she earns, and she doesn't know where this salary goes to. And several state officers as mentioned here.
That remark, yes, stated that the state officers' pay is over budgeted, and I think she mentioned 3 times. The Commission's role is to set the pay, and that is gazetted, and that is given to the National Treasury. The budgeting is therefore not done by the Commission. Of course, you know that it is in the consolidated fund. So I must say, insofar as the Commission is concerned, we have set the pay, but beyond that, in terms of the budgeting, that is really outside the mandate of the Commission.
Kwanana na mwene kivila wa SRC mwanduli ni megich ni kanawelesio mwaliku kwenye kilingi seki ewe mokoni mamuvia wa kinandu.
So I may not be able to answer the actual question of is it budgeted 3 times, because then that is really for the National Treasury to answer.
Zama ya SRC vikite mbewanzama ya leba kwi umonde kutetea budget yoni ya weta ni mbine kuki ATHUKUMI kumbana na kuolo kwa budget vala yenda hayumbe mametane kuyungamia ki ATHUKUMI.
We try to look what we can do away with, but the cut is too much. I remember when we were negotiating the first budget, the main budget now, how it was hard now to balance the accounts. Now when they cut half, one thing I want to understand, is the government still serious with SRC? Because we might be dealing with an institution that they don't feel the essence. Because the cut chairman, me, I cannot support at all. At 10% is okay. But at that cut chairman, I can support. And
when we go further and cut 61 million, that is to say that they are not going to operate anymore. So I like that we have members who are ready to stand with the SRC. They have not come to fight for more. They have come to defend the little that they have.
So I want to say, in terms of, does the government see the benefit of SRC? I hope so, because we have the data to show that we are saving this country a lot of money. And therefore, the issue of wage bill should be central concern for any government, including, I know you've talked about the budget committee who will make the decision in the end, but we're talking about 43% of that budget that is at stake in terms of how it is utilized. And this is the commission that is tasked with that mandate to ensure that the wage bill actually goes down to 35%.
Vilengwa mavoku mavamusioni lovi nye nito wa Benjamin na mwaka